Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show how to create perfect blinking for your character. You can see this character has been rigged using the meta rig. If you don't know how to rig your character, check the video link in the description. I have tutorial how I rig this character. First I'll go to post mode and show you how difficult using the rig to make a blink. You can see it can take a long time to make one blink for the character. So to begin here, let's go to post mode and we are going to use this main rig to create the blink. Not going to be perfect, but let's try our best. So I'll use this grab, move it here. So after this, I'll select my character and go to modify, and here click on this and save as shape key. Now when you go to vertex, you can see it has come here amateur. So I'm going to call this blink, and this for the left eye. Now you can use this one. If you select your post, you go to post mode and reset the rig. Now when you select your character body back, you can use this one to have the blink. Now the next thing is, let me go and hide the rig, and I'm going to select the body and I'll go to sculpt mode. Make sure the value has set to 1, and I'm going to use change for grab and go to viewport overlays and click on wireframe, and now we are going to align this so that it will cover the eyes. So here you can go to edit mode and select the vertex, and now you can make it contact with the surface so you can have your nice blinking. So after you are successfully creating the blink, you can go to your object mode, and now when you use this, now you can use this one to set the value for the blinking. Now you can see it seems good, but when you reach here, you can see it is passing through the eye. So you can go back to sculpt mode and here reshape it again. So now let's try and set the value to see if everything is nice. Now you can see it better now. So let's go back to object mode, and I'm going to hide the wireframe. So you can see we have nice blinking. And now we are going to use the rig to control the blink. So I'm going to bring my rig back. Now after here, let's go to edit. When you go to edit, I'm going to select one of the bones like this one. I think that one was used to make the eye close. So when you go to edit mode, I'm going to press shift plus S and choose cursor to selected, and here I'm going to press Ctrl Shift plus A to add another bone, and I'm going to grab it and move it down, and I'm going to move it in front of the eyes. So G and move it on Y axis, and now I can scale it down small. I think this one is good. It has to align with where we have the eyebrows like this. And now I'll go to the bone and I'm going to name this blink.l, and now after this I'm going to select it and I'm going to shift plus select the head bone. I'm going to press Ctrl plus P and choose keep offset. Now it will parent to this bone. So now with this select, now let's go back to post mode, and with this one select, I'm going to choose a custom shape for it. That one we can use this bone. So with this one select the blink, I'm going to copy, go to the custom shape and custom object. I'm going to copy this name, Ctrl plus C, and select this, and I'm going to paste it here and choose that one. So all of them have the same bone. And then after this I can scale it, this one up. Now after this we need to give it a color. So with that one select, I'll go to bone color and I'll choose this, and in post mode I'll choose that color the same. And here I want to scale this one to make it bigger than the rest, the one we just duplicate. So I'm going to select all this and I'm going to make it 0.3, and this is good. So after this I'm going to edit mode, and with that bone selected only, go to armature and click on symmetrize. It will symmetrize to our right side. Okay, and now we have this. Now when you go to post mode, when you move the head, it also move along, and we can use this one also make the eyes move. Now let's go to the item here, and I want to lock all the axes except the y axis. So we want to move only on y axis, so I'm going to lock the z and the x to left with only the y axis. Now let's go to constraint, and I'm going to limit the locations. So limit location, and I want this to be moved down, like maybe here 35. Okay, 35 is good. So I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to limit only the y location. So I'm going to limit the y. So you can see it has snapped here. Make sure the owner has changed to local with parents, and I'm going to paste the maximum to here, and we can move it down like this. So when I reach this, it will stop moving, and I'm going to select the head, the body, and I'll go to the armature. Now with this bone selected, the blink left, I'm going to copy the y as new driver, and let's select the body, and let's go to the shape keys, and I'm going to right click on the value and paste driver. Now this one, since this one is moving on negative axis, it's moving on negative, that's why this one only have positive. So I'm going to right click and edit driver. Now I'm going to choose script expressions, and here we have the location. So I'm going to multiply the location by -1, and the value here will be changed. So let's multiply it by -1. Now you can see the value has been changed to 0.035. That's how this one has been moved, 0.035. So we want this to be the 0.035 to be 1. So at number we should multiply by 0.035 to get 1. So let's do the calculation. So let's go to edit, and here I'm going to multiply this by, so I'm going to bring this bracket, and I'm going to multiply this by 100. So you can see the point is on here. So when you count from the 5 at the back of the 5, you can see 1 2 3. So we have 3 zeros. So I'm going to multiply it by 100, and now I'm going to divide it by 35, and I'll bring the brackets again, and now you can see we need to multiply by 1000, and now you can see it has set to 100. And now when you select this and you move it up, you can see we have our blinking, and it's moving as we expecting it. So this